In this video, I'll guide you through how to test SurveyMonkey. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, testing your survey before distributing it is an essential step to ensure everything runs smoothly and your questions are clear and effective. So let's dive in and make sure your survey is ready for prime time. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to surveymonkey.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you already have one, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your control center for managing all your surveys. Next, look towards the top of the page and click on All Surveys. This will take you to a list of every survey you've created so far. It's a great way to keep track of your projects and find the specific survey you'd like to test. Once you've located the survey you want to test, click on it to open More Options. You're going to want to select Edit Survey. This option allows you to modify questions, adjust settings, and generally tweak your survey until it's just right. It's important to make sure everything looks perfect here before moving on to the next step. Now that you're in the edit mode, you'll want to click on Preview at the top right corner of the page. This feature is incredibly useful as it lets you see the survey from the perspective of your respondents. You can go through each question, ensuring that the wording is clear and that the format looks good on various devices. It's a chance to catch any errors like typos or awkwardly phrased questions that you might not have noticed during the creation process. As you preview the survey, pay close attention to the flow of questions. Ask yourself whether they logically progress from one to the next and if the survey feels intuitive for someone taking it for the first time. This is also a great time to consider the user experience. For instance, is the survey too long or too short? Are there questions that might confuse or frustrate respondents? Make any necessary adjustments as you see fit. If you spot any issues during the preview, simply head back to the edit mode and make your changes. You can then preview the survey again to make sure those changes have the desired effect. This iterative process is key to refining your survey into a polished, professional tool that will yield the best results. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively test your SurveyMonkey surveys and ensure that they're ready to collect valuable information. Remember, a well-tested survey not only improves the quality of the data you collect, but also enhances the experience for your respondents. So take your time, review each question, and make sure everything is just right before you hit that send button. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy surveying!